Hey guys, I got another 8 horsepower video for you. I bought this motor off a guy that actually turned out to be a subscriber on YouTube, so this is a shout out to him. I don't know your channel name, but I want to say Bryce is your name if I remember right, so a little shout out to you for selling me this motor, and it's nice to meet you. And this is a 1993 model 19 8 horsepower, and it has a brand new carburetor on it that he put on it. It's one of the aftermarket ones like I talked about in one of my earlier videos. And he's got a spring on here for some reason. I don't know if just to keep it from idling, because it was off a generator originally. That's probably what that's for. And having a couple issues with that carburetor, even though it is a new one. I don't want to adjust in very good, and it's leaking gas out of the mixture adjustment screw, so I'm going to have to figure out what's going on with that. And he also gave me the original carburetor. You still see some of the green paint on it. He said he was having problems with the float, I believe he said, the needle valve, so I might be able to take it apart and rebuild this one and be able to have a good backup. Maybe put this one back on there since it'd be the original carburetor. I like that choke better than what's on the newer type. And I like the adjustment screw better on the old ones. It's easier to adjust them. But just missing on the bottom, I just stuck the nozzle back in there. And it didn't have a gas tank on it. And this is the one off my infamous rod throwing flipper, as you've seen in that one of my earlier videos. And so I figured I'd just stick that on here and use it to get it going. And there's a few things wrong with it. Like I said, I'm having issues with the carburetor. It does smoke some, which I figured it would. I mean, being an older engine, I'll probably rebuild it, put new rings in it. The oil fill cap is broken there. I just sent a drop of gas coming out of there. And like I said, it came off a generator, so this crankshaft makes it basically useless right now, unless I put it on another generator that I don't have on. And I don't have one that would work on right now. But I did notice something else, and I figure the guy I got it from probably didn't notice it either, because he said he got it in a trade. But apparently this motor is thrown a rod at some point, and somebody did a patch job on it. As you can see, it's probably a JB weld or something on there. And it don't appear to be leaking anywhere, and you can see they used the red silicone to put it back together with, which, like I said, is no big deal to me, and I'm not disappointed or nothing in it. I buy these motors all the time just for projects to work on and make videos on, so it's no big deal to me. I mean, obviously, you buy an older engine, you're not expecting one in mint condition or nothing. But yeah, I just want to talk about it a little bit and do a shout out to the guy I got it from. But yeah, I'll take it outside and make a little video of it running, and it'll probably be a while before you see it again, because I don't really need it for anything right now, so I'm just going to put it away with some of my other motors, and probably order parts for it this winter and work on it next summer or something. Get the new rings and stuff for it, and I'll use the crankshaft out of that one that threw a rod. I'll use the crankshaft out of it. It should be the same. This does appear to have the ball bearing. I could be wrong, but it should. Most of these did, but if it didn't, then I might be able to use the sump off the other one, put on this to get it working, or just get me another crank off eBay for it. As you see, it does have the cast iron sleeve, so that's a big plus to me. I like those a lot better than the old cool bore types. So these are built a lot better. They hold up a lot longer too, and are more rebuildable. But yeah, I just want to make a video talking about it and get a little bit of it running. It's got the low tone muffler, so it's actually a little bit quieter than the round hot dog type muffler. Well guys, thanks for watching. I just wanted to share this with you. And as I said in the beginning, a shout out to the guy I got it from. So if anybody got any questions or comments on this type of motor, feel free to leave me a comment below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. So yeah, we'll catch you on the next video. I just wanted to share this with you. So thanks for watching.